How to sell Ticketmaster ticket on Seatgeek. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply transfer the ticket from Ticketmaster to Seatgeek. Now I already made a tutorial about this, so if you want to check that out, make sure to go to my channel and look for that tutorial. Now after you transfer the ticket from Ticketmaster, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on sell, and then here you're gonna have to simply choose what type of ticket you want to sell. Then simply click on add e-ticket, and then here you can simply drag and drop it, or you can simply go to tickets here, and then here you're gonna have all the activities. You're gonna see here where it says activity, you're gonna have to go to transfers, and you're gonna see the ticket from Ticketmaster, and then you're gonna have the option to sell it. So basically all you have to do is simply click on sell and set the price, and that's it. And basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.